Hi, welcome to the Let's Design channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this exercise, and its name is cross stop. Well, this is the dimension for this part, and then let's make a modeling part now. From this Solidworks interface, let's start from a right plane and make it normal tool, and then go to the sketch, click to this toggle, and select the center rectangle. Start from this point. And then click a smart dimension, and I want to set for this horizontal line, and it is 115 mm. Okay, apply, and then press and hold the control button, then select the dash line. So from this add relation, make it equal, apply, and then click the line, start from this point, and then connect to this point. Click a smart dimension and change for the distance, and it is 18 mm. Okay, next click to this line, and then click to this line point and connect to this line. Click smart dimension, set for this distance to 65 mm. Then okay. Next step, click to this line, and then from this point, right click and select. Let's set a smart dimension and then set the distance from this point to this point, and it is 35 mm. Okay, and then click to this line, and then just make it a horizontal line. Click a smart dimension and make the 30 mm from this distance. Okay, next click a feathers, and I want to give the thickness from this sketch. For the first one, let's set the value to 45 mm, and then click to this sketch and then apply. Next step, click to this toggle, and then go to the sketch, click extrude boss, and set the value to 90 mm, and then click to the sketch. Then apply. Next, click to this toggle and go to the sketch, extrude boss, and there are double 45 mm plus to 65 mm, and it is 155 mm. So let's click to the sketch, and it is from this sketch, and then apply. So you will see the 3D modeling like this, and then let's make a extrude cut from this surface by click to this surface and click on normal tool, and then just go to the sketch and make it a circle. Start, find the midpoint, and then change smart dimension and set a value to 22 millimeter for the diameter, and then there are the distance from the center to these sides, and it is 25 millimeter. Then apply. Next, let's click a feeder, then extrude cut. From this feeder, just click a draw out and then apply. Let's make the same way from this surface by click on normal tool and then go to the sketch, click to the circle and find the midpoint line, click smart dimension and change 22 for the diameter. Next, click to the center and find to this line and set to 20 millimeter. Okay. Then go to feeder and then extrude cut. From this direction one box, just click roll and then apply. Well, let's change this appearance for this part by click this icon. For the example, I want to choose this one color and then okay, change to isometric view by press and hold the Ctrl 7. Wow. Okay guys, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. If you want to find a similar video, you can check my playlist on this channel. And see you next time.